have that perfect moment. However, the perfect moment never comes. All right, Jason Yarusi here with the Live 100 podcast. It's a place to maximize and optimize your life so you can live your level 100 today and get yourself to where you deserve to be. Today we're going to talk about the perfect moment. That perfect moment for you to get started, right? We all have that. We all have that perfect moment. However, the perfect moment never comes. In most of our lives here, we're waiting for that optimal time, right? So for me to get up, to feel good, for waiting where I just have enough money in the bank, for waiting for that right time when my kids get to a certain age, for waiting for that right time. But the truth is that right time never happens. What happens to you is that you get down the path and it gets harder and harder for you to start because you've just put into your mind all these habits of never getting started. You haven't had the discipline to start today. We all want the motivation. The motivation comes, the motivation goes. What you need is the discipline. The discipline is what puts us in a place. And with me, it took me to get disciplined with my morning to allow me to start making big moves in my life. And what that meant was I was making poor decisions in my morning. I was staying up too late, drinking at night, doing other things that would put myself in not the best position. So when I would get up in the morning, I'd be tired, I would not be ready, I wouldn't be in my right place. And it took a lot of me to say that today, I needed to make choices here that was going to put me in a position to win. And what I could do there is I would take choices with my morning to put myself in every single position that would make me in the best state that when the morning was over, I had already won the day. Get up at 4:32 in the morning, I would drink a glass of water, have a cup of coffee, I would work out, and I would be ready to go. That was my win, and I would say discipline to that. Whether I felt good, whether I felt bad, whether my ear hurt, whether my nose hurt, whether my kids were up, any of that points, I had to make it happen because that put me in the best position to win. And it will put you in the best position to win too if you took back your life, because the perfect time never comes. The time is right now. So if you're thinking about going out there, trying that new opportunity, if you're thinking about going out there, saying hello to someone that could be of value to your life, if you're thinking about going out there doing charity, right? There's no great opportunity. If you're thinking about going out there to try something, to invest in something, waiting until you have that certain amount of money, right? What you've done today, has it gotten you to that point to have that much money? No. So why do you think that if you wait for this certain amount of time, that's going to allow you the opportunity to do something you want into the future? We all say someday. That's the easiest thing to do, because when you say someday in your mind, it makes you feel like you're already doing it. But the truth is you're absolutely never doing it. You're not doing it, and you're not going to do it. The someday is not today. Today is today. And that sets the difference from the people that make things happen to the people that never get to where they want in their life. So if you don't have what you want today, ask yourself, are you thinking about today or are you thinking about someday? How many times you said someday? How many times you said, I'll start Monday? How many times you say, well, let me just get to the new year. I'll start with the new year. And what happens? You are not going to have anybody believe in you. Don't think you should or would or could or why, because why should they believe in you if you haven't done it? Oh, no one believes I'm going to go out there and lose weight. Well, have you lost weight before? No one believes I'm going to go out there and start that job and it's going to be a success. Well, have you done it before? Go do it for you. Don't care what other people think. Start today, do it, and trust me, the second you start doing it, make it happen, everybody's going to be looking at you and believing you can do it because you did it. The truth is in the activity of you completing it. It's in today, it's in making it happen, it's in putting yourself in the right position to power yourself forward, to do things when you do not want to, because that makes things happen. That's the 100 podcast. I'm Jason Yarusi. Make sure you go down there, hit that follow button, give us a like and subscribe, leave us a rating and review. If this is something I can share out with someone else today, if this can help, make sure you do that. Let's do this.